Courage grows with each decision to trust yourself. The strongest act of courage is believing in yourself when the world gives you reasons to doubt, not because fear disappears, and not because the road suddenly becomes clear, but because every time you choose to believe in yourself, you prove that your doubts do not have the final say. Every time you trust your instincts, you take back a piece of your power. Every time you choose to follow your heart instead of your fear, you strengthen something deep within you. And with every challenge you face, every risk you take, and every lesson you learn, you begin to realize that you are far more capable than you once believed. Trusting yourself doesn't mean you'll never make mistakes. It doesn't mean you'll always know the right answer or that every decision will lead exactly where you expect. Trusting yourself means knowing that no matter what happens, you have the strength to learn, adapt, and keep moving forward. It means understanding that your worth is not determined by perfection, but by your willingness to keep showing up for yourself. So when fear tells you to stay small, trust yourself. When doubt tells you you're not ready, trust yourself. When the future feels uncertain and the path ahead seems unclear, trust yourself. Because courage is built in those moments. It grows every time you choose belief over fear, growth over comfort, and possibility over limitation. One decision at a time, one step at a time, one act of self trust at a time. And before you know it, you look back and realize that the courage you were searching for was never something you had to find. It was something you were creating all along, every single time you chose to trust yourself.